Are you an Etsy seller who wants to maximize sales during the holiday season? If so, in this video, I'm going to dive into the perfect timing for listing your Etsy products for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. By aligning your listings at the right time frame, you can attract more customers and increase the bottom line, which is your sales. So let's dive into optimizing your Etsy shop and making this holiday season your most successful one yet. Hi and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, my name is Nancy and I help Etsy sellers turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new videos. Now, to effectively plan the timing of your product listings, it's crucial to understand the seasonal trends for each holiday, which I'm going to break down in a few minutes. I also created a template with 15 emails that you could use for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas to help you with sales. So if you are interested in getting a free copy, comment the word email below. So now let's dive into each holiday so you can know how to optimize your shop for higher conversions. Halloween is a highly popular holiday and shoppers start looking for decorations and costumes well in advance. To make the most of this holiday, it's recommended to start listing your Halloween products at least 6 to 8 weeks before October 31st. This gives potential customers ample time to browse and make their purchases. Consider offering a variety of Halloween themed products. Use eye-catching images and compelling product descriptions to entice buyers. And don't forget to leverage Halloween-related keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your visibility in search results. Thanksgiving is a time when people gather with family and friends to celebrate and give thanks. And when it comes to your listing your Etsy products for Thanksgiving, it's best to start around 6 to 8 weeks before the holiday, which means you should start promoting as early as the 3rd week of September. This allows shoppers to plan and purchase the items that they need for their celebration. Focus on offering products that enhance the Thanksgiving experience, such as table decor, centerpieces, fall-themed home accents, and unique hostess gifts. Also, consider creating product bundles or offering special discounts to attract more buyers. Now, remember to highlight the quality and craftsmanship of your products in your listings, as customers often seek unique and handcrafted items during this holiday. Christmas is the busiest time of the year for a majority of Etsy sellers, and it's crucial to plan your product listings accordingly. Start listing your Christmas products around 8 to 12 weeks before the holiday to capture the attention of early shoppers, which means you should be promoting as early as the 3rd week of October. Offer a wide range of festive products, including ornaments, stocking, personalized gift, holiday-themed clothing, and home decor. Make sure to use high-quality images to showcase the beauty and uniqueness of your product. Make sure to craft compelling product descriptions that evoke the spirit of Christmas and emphasizes the joy of giving a gift. And also consider running special promotions or offering free shipping to entice customers to choose your products over others. Preparing your Etsy shop for the holiday season. In addition to strategic timing for product listings, it's essential to prepare your Etsy shop for the holiday season. So ensure that your shop is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Update your shop banner and profile picture to reflect the holiday spirit. Create holiday themed categories to organize your products and make it easier for shoppers to find what they're looking for. Consider offering gift wrapping services or personalized messages to add a special touch to your products. And don't forget to respond promptly to customers' inquiries and provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Utilizing social media to promote holiday listings. So social media platforms are powerful tools for promoting your Etsy products during the holiday season. And some of the things that you could do is Create engaging and visually appealing posts that showcase your holiday products. Make sure to optimize your caption to increase your reach and attract potential customers. Consider collaborating with influencers or running social media contests to generate buzz around your products. Share behind the scenes content and sneak peeks to create anticipation among your followers. And encourage customers to share their purchases and tag your shop on social media for added exposure. If you have the budget, run remarketing campaigns. So the first thing that I recommend doing is creating a video where you showcase your brand, the products that you make, and you talk about your unique selling proposition, which is more in details of what makes your product different from others in the marketplace. This video is all about people getting to know your brand. There's no selling in this video. Once you create the video, run a video marketing campaign on Facebook and make sure to target it correctly. If you're currently using Instagram or you have a website, you could also create a lookalike audience to show that video too. I do recommend choosing 1% for the lookalike audience so you can have a larger audience to show the video to. Run the video for at least 4 weeks or until you have thousands and thousands of views. Then what you're going to do is create a new video with your products or services that you actually sell, and you're going to run a video remarketing campaign again, targeting the same audience for 2 weeks before the holiday, whether it's Thanksgiving, Halloween, or Christmas. And you're going to be targeting these people that already engage with your brand and they're more likely to buy from you. Managing inventory and shipping during the busy holiday season. As the holiday season approaches, it's essential to manage your inventory and shipping processes effectively. Keep track of your product stock and update your listings accordingly to avoid overselling or disappointing customers. Consider offering pre-orders or customized options to accommodate different customers' preference. And plan your shipping schedule in advance, ensuring that you could fulfill orders promptly. Communicate clearly with customers about shipping times, cutoff days for holiday delivery, and any potential delays, and provide tracking information and offer support in case of any shipping issues. Maximizing sales through strategic product listing timing. The perfect timing for listing your Etsy products for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas can significantly impact your sales and success during the holiday season. By understanding the seasonal trends, optimizing your listings with relevant keywords, and utilizing social media to promote your products, you can attract more customers and increase your chances of making sales. If you watched this video until the end, comment below me so I can know how many people stayed till the end. And if you have any questions, just drop them below. Thanks for watching.